Good morning guys, and welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. And first of all, I'd like to apologise for not vlogging for very much over the last 3 weeks, or not at all in this case. I have been extremely busy. Deadlines have been approached at uni. 2 deadlines yesterday, so I've been busy trying to get the coursework and try and find motivation for that, and also trying to sort out my dissertation and the lab work. So that's been quite hectic, so I haven't really had time to do a lot alongside of that and working, so I apologise for that. Today I will be vlogging because the Coca-Cola truck is in Bournemouth. For those of you who don't know what it is, just follow the link below if I can find a video for that. It's an advert that comes on every single year, and as soon as it's first shown, it's like the sign of Christmas. So yeah, follow the link below if I can find it online, and have a watch. But the truck is in Bournemouth today, so I'm gonna go have a look, get a free Coke, and then just browse around because it's also Black Friday, which means a lot of things are going to be on sale, and I need some deals. I need some clothes. I don't have enough jumpers, I don't have enough hoodies, and it's really cold outside, so yeah, I'm going to see how that goes. But for now, I'm off to uni, so I'll see you guys in a bit. So I've just got back from 3 hours of uni, come back, and I think this is my Sug Life jumper. So I literally, as soon as I saw it on the table, I was like, oh my god, my Sug Life, my Sug Life. So let's open it and find out. Try and open it using one hand. So opening it with one hand didn't work, but I was right, it's my Sug Life jumper. This is my invoice. Oh my god. Look at that. Cannot wait to wear that. Literally, it looks so comfortable. Okay, so I put it on. As you can see in the mirror, it fits. It's a little bit baggy, but I suppose it's a jumper, so it's made to be a bit baggy, but it feels so good. It feels so comfortable. So I'll be wearing this quite a lot, repping the Sug Life. So from now on in my videos, if you see me wearing this, it's because I practically live in it. So I'm pretty much repping the Sug Life merch right here. I just can't wait to get my green jumper, but I have to wait till after Christmas for that. But this looks so comfortable. I mean, look how cool it is. Oh my god, might wear it in town. Tomato's still in bed. Look how sick it is. I'm proper like repping the Sug Life now. It's so cool, isn't it?
I have no words.
Why?
It's cute.
It's cute.
I didn't expect that from him.
What, from Zoe and Joe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you said jumper, I was thinking like street style jumper.
Street style. Do you know what? They're green. You know his green hoodie that he wore when I met him?
Yeah.
I can't get any of that online until after Christmas because I really want the green hoodie, but I can't get it. So I was like, I'll get this, and they've already sold out of this size.
Is that the only style you have? Or is it, okay.
But how cool is it? I don't know whether I should have got an extra small though. Olivia says it looks fine.
That's a good size. Plus it keeps you warm.
Yeah, that's very true. I'm proper like repping the sub life though. We'll be like wearing this everywhere. My mum, when I go home, my mum will be like, "Is that the jumper?" I'm like, "Yeah, I'll be wearing it for 2 weeks straight, mum."
Please tell me you're not going to wear it after Christmas is over.
Maybe.
Oh,
What are you watching?
I'm watching the reel and then I'm looking at ASOS.
Oh, okay. Oh my god, I want to get that Stranger Things t-shirt.
Seriously?
It looks proper sick.
How much is it?
20 quid. So, have you seen? Did you see that jumper I put on the group chat from New Look, that Christmas jumper?
Yeah.
I'm going to get that today.
You are?
Yeah. I said I need more jumpers. I've got one jumper that I'm currently wearing. I could get another one in town in the Stranger Things t-shirt. I really want a Stranger Things t-shirt just so I can be like, yeah, repping the sub life in Stranger Things.
You're such a fan.
As you can see, Damola hasn't...
Don't show them my mess. Don't show them my messy room.
So you've been in bed all morning?
I got up to like brush my teeth and make cereal, but apart from that, yeah.
Oh, I love your little bear. Do you cuddle him at night?
I actually do.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
To be fair, I do the same with my bear, but then he ends up on the floor most of the time.
Yeah, sometimes it gets chucked on the floor, then I wake up and I have to pick him back up.
So have you found anything on ASOS?
I have actually found a few things, but they're so expensive. Do you know, in that one-ton thing?
1, 2?
1, 2?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's like a voucher gift card that you can win. So there's like 10 £100 vouchers.
Oh really?
Yeah, so I've done that.
Oh my
and
god.
you get to see who wins on the 29th of November.
Oh nice.
So I'm really hoping I win, because I've seen quite a few things, but they're really expensive.
Yeah. Right, I'm going to go and record Olivia packing. I'll be back in a minute. I don't know. Tamola's still in bed.
Really?
Yeah. She's still in bed.
I don't want to be on it.
Why?
I just don't want to.
Just say hello to YouTube.
Hello.
It's
Oh my
like-
god, look at the little dolphin.
Where?
Look, that girl sitting on it. Want the ice rink?
Oh, that's a penguin in it.
Oh, alright. It's a seal actually, I think. We both got it wrong.
Is it? It's a penguin.
It's a seal.
No, it's a
It's
penguin.
a seal. The orange things that the kids are sitting on.
Oh, I thought you meant that little kid that's
No.
pushing.
No, that's a bloody penguin. I'm not stupid.
You have to know how to skate to go on the ice rink.
Well, it bloody helps, doesn't it? It's going to end up with face in the ice all the time.
I just realised the camera was on Zoom.
Oh, brilliant.
I'll cut you out, it's fine.
I'm still not married.
Oh, look at that, Alpine bar.
It's really sweet here.
This is so cute.
Can we go upstairs so I can get a snap?
Yeah, come on then. For your fans.
Yeah, I'm such a fan.
Oh my god, look how cute this is.
Look, they're seals, see?
Oh yeah. Hey, shall we go on one of those seals?
You can push me along if you want.
I love Bournemouth at Christmas. No. Oh, look at all the Christmas hairbands. Look at these Christmas hats. This hat actually fits my head.
Bye.
That's how small my head is. Look how sparkly it is. There they are, look. Try and let Terry's chocolate orange. What are they even doing? There they are, they're scoffing their face. So how's the ice cream?
Good.
Is it?
Yeah, it's the new orange one.
Oh, I don't know how
You must
you
be
can
freezing.
try
You're not
chocolate
cold.
orange.
Spicy, you know. Your neck is exposed.
Hi Isabel.
Hi. Hi.
They're going out on an adventure.
Stop filming.
He's playing the flutes very well. There's Lush. We make our stuff at that shop, don't we?
Yeah,
I'm full of customers.
I made that. Well, actually, I picked that.
Oh my god, what have they got in the window?
My brother.
They look, do you know what? Their bath bombs in there look better than in our factory.
It does, because they like take out the edge part.
Yeah.
This shop was good.
She's going into office.
Oh my gosh, all of us very good.
Oh,
Everyone has them at home and I really like them.
I'm not wearing mine today.
Are they comfortable? Really comfortable.
You think they're nice?
Yeah,
I mean, I need a new pair of trainers.
the burgundy ones are nice.
Oh, that one's 54.
For how much?
45.
It's 20% off, so that'll be like, what, 40 something quid?
There will be 10% off.
Yeah, it says it's excluded.
That's done.
Oh.
Is it back Friday?
Wait, so they always 50 quid?
Yeah, but with if you get them
Well, I can get
in,
them any time then if they...
yeah, if you get them in shoe, you get 10% off. Look how cute these stalls are. Bath bombs, Demola. Yeah, they're not as great as the ones we make, eh? No shoes guitarist. They've got Yorkshire pudding rolls up here. Up here, I think. We haven't walked past it, have we? Yeah, it's here. Look how cool this is. It's £6 for a Yorkshire pudding wrap. £6.
You get one?
I don't know. If I get some money out, I might get one on the way. When I liked my Instagram post, I was like, and you were like, you're right. And I was like, look, open your door. I need to speak to you.
Yeah,
I thought we'd been raided. I was like,
Where's Isabel?
she's over there looking at it.
Oh right, okay.
I might get a hot dog actually. They look really good. I need to get cash out though.
Same.
Oh look, and you can put your sauce on there. Oh, I'm gonna get a hot dog.
Oh.
They look really cute.
Yeah, but look how cute that reindeer is. Oh my god, shall we go and see Santa?
No.
I can be like, I know what I want for Christmas, and he'll be like, what is that? And I'll be like, Joe Sugg. And
So
Taryn.
childish. I want a man. You get me a man Christmas thing. What? It's a tiny one. I thought it'd be like, you know, the big one. Yeah. No, we have the big one at home. Yeah. That's tiny.
It doesn't even look like, it doesn't even look like the ones on the advert either. Santa's there. That's why Santa's not in his grotto, because he's up there handing out cokes.
Yeah. What do you have to do?
Well, you guys can... Yeah, I don't want a photo. Are you getting a picture?
Yes.
What, do they take it of you on your phone?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not?
I'll just vlog you guys then.
Why are you not doing it? You don't want a photo?
No. I've got it on my video, why do I want a photo? Be like, I vlogged it, okay?
So what?
How excited are you?
So excited. I just want my coat.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Oh my god.
You can get also markets for us and Tesco's. Ladies as well, try out Coke Zero. Zero sugar, zero good taste.
Thank you. She's giving me tea. Huh?
There we go, enjoy the uplifting tea. So what was the last one? Yeah. No calories, no sugar. LDA. LDA. Enjoy guys. Come straight on through guys. Hello! Oh no! Oh no, we're on film!
Look at them enjoying the Christmas Coca-Cola truck. No! That's so cool. So me and Olivia have got hot dogs. How's yours?
Oh, yeah, it's really nice, thanks. Yep. It's very yummy.
With cheese and the sausage. Oh, look how pretty the park is. This is so cute. Even the waterfall looks nice. That's why I'm waiting for mine to cool down. Isabel isn't drinking. Odd one out. Then you got Olivia on Instagram, Snapchat. So I've just got back from being in town. It was absolutely hectic. I had the biggest hot dog that I've ever had for a £5. And then we walked around for a bit. We saw the Coca-Cola truck, and yeah, it's been a good afternoon. I walked around town wearing this. This jumper is very, very comfortable. It's very warm, so yeah, I'm quite happy that I wore that. And I bought a few things in Primark and Topshop as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.